Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first click to start, type device manager, open, then find out the serial bus controller. This is last, and this is USB driver. So 3.0 first right click to update and update it, and then close. So it is already updated, so try to first uninstall it. Uninstalled, then again uninstall also subcontroller, and then click to actions and then scan hardware changes. Okay, so it will come again back 3.0, and then again right click to update and then update automatically, and then close it and then close it. Then next method, click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator, then type this command, and this command I will give in description, so you can copy paste, otherwise you can type the manually also. Okay, and then click to next. After that it will open this window, then click to next, and now detecting the problems of hardware and devices, and wait few seconds. Now this is scanning. After that click this fix, and then restart, enable. Now you can see the PC must be restarted. Windows update configuration never install the update, then close it. So next guys, need to install the chipset driver. So if you are using the system desktop, so you know the model number of your motherboard, so need to install the chipset driver. And if you are using the laptop, so just open the Chrome browser and any other browsers, and then type, because of I am using the Asus laptop, so if you are using Dell, HP and all, so like Asus laptop driver download. Okay, and if you are using suppose HP, so you can type HP and Dell, and like, so if you are unable to download the driver of chipset, so you just comment me, I will give you the link in description, so you can copy and paste and then download. Okay, so this is first link, this is official website, and guys only download the driver from the official website only. You can type the model number if you don't know, so you can click on this, so automatically detect the serial number of your laptop and accept, and then start. So it will, system will scan the serial number and it will detect. Okay, this is your laptop tag, and then click to driver and tool. Scroll down, select the operating system Windows 10 and 11, so both it will work, and this is chipset and chipset driver, and click to download. After the download, it will start downloading in the download box, and it will show after complete. Okay, then single click to open, then select the language if you want to change, then click to OK, then next, accept the agreement, and next. So there are two methods, first install and extract. So directly install, next and install. After that, now is extracting, and not right now, restart, one more step to complete, and then restart. Then next and final and very important method, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator. After that, type sfc space slash scan now, and then hit enter. So I already tried, that's why it's coming repair pending, required restart. So if you are getting same issue, same error, so you can restart and try this command, because of this command is very important. And it, if it is working, so it will take some time, it will complete 100%. After that, it need to restart your system, and then please check it. Thank you guys.